Unveiling Slang. The story behind blowing up the spot. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to make it easier and more fun for you to learn. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a popular slang phrase, blowing up the spot. This phrase is rich in cultural context and has a vibrant history in American English. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand it fully. Stay tuned. Blowing up the spot is a phrase that originally comes from urban slang and has various meanings based on the context in which it is used. At its core, the phrase means drawing unwanted attention to a place or situation, often ruining it for others. It can also imply exposing something that was meant to be kept secret or private, thus, blowing up the secrecy of the spot or place. The phrase, blowing up the spot, has its roots in hip-hop culture of the late 20th century, where it described the act of showing up to a party or a gathering and taking the spotlight, sometimes to the annoyance of others. Over time, its use expanded beyond the realm of parties and hip-hop, entering mainstream language to describe any action that disrupts the normal flow or exposes something hidden. Using blowing up the spot correctly requires understanding the nuance of the situation. It's often used in casual, informal conversations. Here are a few examples. In the context of secrecy, he really blew up the spot by revealing our surprise party plans. Drawing attention, I was trying to lay low, but she came in and blew up the spot with her loud laughter. Ruining a vibe, this place was chill until the cops showed up and blew up the spot. There are similar phrases in English that convey the idea of disrupting or exposing, such as spilling the beans or letting the cat out of the bag. While these phrases share some thematic elements with blowing up the spot, they don't always carry the same connotations of drawing public attention or ruining a social setting. Understanding phrases like blowing up the spot enriches your grasp of English, especially its evolving, living nature shaped by culture and history. We hope this exploration helps you feel more comfortable with slang and colloquial expressions. Remember, language is not just about rules and grammar. It's also about expression, identity, and community. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Keep learning and keep curious.